Let's make Bloody Mary mix.
My family loves a good Bloody Mary bar. We put out all types of condiments to let people get creative. Here's the past winner from one of our Bloody Mary workshops. And here's how to make Bloody Mary mix.
Pour 8 to 10 cups of fresh tomato juice into a large pot over medium heat. Add half cup lemon juice, 1 tablespoon celery salt, half cup Worcestershire, and 2 heaping tablespoons horseradish. Mix well and bring to a simmer. Add about 15 to 20 dollops of your favorite pepper sauce. Add salt to taste. I already added celery salt, so I'm just going to put a little in at first. Bring the mix to a simmer, give it a little whirl, and then turn the stove off and let it cool.
Ooh, it smells good.
And that's how you make homemade Bloody Mary mix. Follow me for more fun things to do and share this with your favorite Bloody Mary enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.